Ino ni barabara nene ya Nyali, kaunti ya Mombasa. Aruti a wĩra supermarket ya Nakumatt honge cia Likoni, Sidmax na Nyali maruruganĩte gũtetia mũmandĩki ũrĩa ũtahingĩtie kĩrĩko gĩake gĩa kũmarĩha mĩcara yao kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 6.
Pension yetu imekatwa kutoka August 2016, haijapelekwa kwa Kenindia ama kwa NWealth, na NSSF haijalipwa, insurance haijalipwa, Sako haijalipwa. Si haya yote
na pesa tunakatwa,
tumekatwa kwa mshahara yetu.
Aruti wĩra aya makiuga ni mathĩnĩkĩte kwa ihinda iraihu, amwe makĩingatwo nyũmba iria maikaraga na angĩ makaremwo na gũcaria motungata ma ũrigitani.
Kwanza mimi mazi hata wife ameepa jo. Wife aliepa. Nyumba nilifungiwa na nilikuwa kwa kibanda jirani sasa.
And the challenges are outside here: broken marriages, people being evicted from their rental houses, kids getting sick and NHIF not working.
Nakuo Eldoret, mathĩna ma aruti wĩra a supermarket ya Nakumatt mahana o ũguo.
Hatuna chakula ndani ya Nakumatt, tumekatiwa maji, hakuna stima, tumekaa kwa giza, hatuna chakula.
And we are appealing to our employer also that he should know that we are ready to go home. We don't want to insist to assist to be here. Our main cry is that let him remit all our pensions.
Supermarket ya Nakumatt ĩkoretwo ĩgũmĩirwo nĩ mathĩna ma kĩmbeca, ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirie kũhingwo kwa honge nyingĩ cia kambuni ĩyo. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Ngĩtwo Muthoni wa Wangari.